Greetings, and welcome to another insightful episode of the Lilly Lectures, where we look into the fascinating world of astrology from my book, Christian Astrology. I'm your guide, William Lilly, and today our journey leads us to the intriguing topic of separation. Separation, in simple terms, occurs when two planets are no longer close to each other in terms of their positions. For example, let's say Saturn is at 10 degrees and 25 minutes of Aries, and Jupiter is also at 10 degrees and 25 minutes of Aries. At this point, they are in perfect conjunction, but when Jupiter moves to around 10 degrees and 31 or 32 minutes of Aries, it is considered to be separating from Saturn. Both Saturn and Jupiter have an allowance of 9 degrees, which represents their orbs of influence. So, Jupiter cannot be considered completely separated or free from the influence of Saturn until it is about 9 degrees away from it. Half of Jupiter's orb is around 4 degrees and 30 minutes, and the half of Saturn's orb is 4 degrees 30 minutes. When added together, they make a total of 9 degrees. This allowance is given because every planet has half its own orbs and half the orbs of the planet it is separating from. To illustrate further, let's consider the Sun and the Moon in any aspect with each other. The Moon is considered separated from the Sun when it is fully distant by 7 degrees and 30 minutes. This calculation takes into account half of the Sun's orbs and the Moon's own orbs of about 6 degrees. Together, they add up to 13 degrees and 30 minutes. The knowledge about this is varied and excellent. If two planets representing marriage in a horary question were recently separated by only a few minutes, I would judge that there was a high likelihood of the marriage taking place a few days ago. However, at the present moment, it appears to be in suspense, and there seems to be some disagreement or rupture in the relationship. As the planets representing the individuals move apart, the matters and affections of the parties will also drift away and change. The extent to which the swifter planet needs to move before being completely separated from the more ponderous one will determine the duration, whether it be weeks, days, months, or years, before the two lovers will entirely give up or see the matter completely broken off. If the two significators are in movable signs, are angular, and have swift motion, it will hasten the time frame. In common signs, the time required will be longer, and in fixed signs, an even longer period will be necessary. And there you have it, our exploration of separation and its function within horary astrology. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. Until next time, keep looking to the stars for guidance. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.